Hey, Dave String with Edgy Tools. This is a brand new tire tower. Instead of leveraging off your hand on a fender, now you're off a tire, working a fender, now you're working off the tire tower. It's got a magnetic head on the deluxe one. It spins 360 until you put pressure down and collapse the spring, and then it'll bite in place. You get both the deluxe and the low profile head, so you can get as short as that on a tire. You can start adding extensions to go to whatever height. We're also going to make a third head for flat bars, and we're going to make another base that's going to be magnetic. Derek Yost came up with that, so you can stick it on the inside of a bedside and get all kinds of leverage, either through a brake light or when you're working from below. So that's the tire tower. And then we have all our hangers that we won the Accessory of the Year award for last year. So we've got the basic hanger, which replaces the S-hooks basically, the Magnum, which holds larger rods, and then the Ninja, which James Giles came up with from Dent Ninja, holds flat bars and dent dials and everything. And then the step hanger needs a little explaining. If you're working a bedside or a bad dent and you want to hit a different angle, instead of pulling a 6-inch rod all the way out and changing your angle, you can just simply pivot down and work that dent from a different angle. So the tool's hitting it differently. Lastly, I'll show you our new honey holes. These on the sail panel, if you glue pull it, you do what's called volcanoing a dent because you're pulling the whole area up. This holds that area back. Kyle Violet came up with this and won the second place in the Dent Olympics last year. You glue your tab onto the sail panel, slap this over it. It's got a magnetic back so it'll stay. Your mini lifter is going to hold the honey hole down and just pull the center of the dent up. So it's great for glue pulling, and you get all 5 in the set, so no matter what size dent and damage you're working on. And then we've got a whole lineup of new tips and control punches. Our ergonomic knockdown. So your hand's completely at rest. You can grip it a lot of different ways, and very comfortable. So it's better for your hand and everything, more accurate. So thanks a lot for watching.